Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games. First, decide on your preferred gaming platform, whether it's a personal computer, a dedicated console, or a mobile device. Next, verify that your chosen device meets the game's specific system requirements to ensure smooth performance. Finally, establish a reliable internet connection, especially if you plan to enjoy online multiplayer experiences or download large game files. Once you have your platform ready, it's time to find some games. Explore various digital storefronts like Steam or the PlayStation Store, or visit a physical game store. After selecting a game, proceed with the purchase or free download. Then, simply follow the on-screen installation prompts, which usually take just a few minutes, to get your game ready to play. Now that your game is installed, it's time to jump in. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic controls for movement, interaction, and any special abilities. Many games offer options to customize these controls, allowing you to tailor them for maximum comfort. Don't skip the in-game tutorials. They are designed to help you quickly grasp the core mechanics and improve your gameplay. To truly enhance your gaming experience, consider adjusting the graphics and audio settings to best suit your system and preferences. Engaging with online communities can provide valuable tips, strategies, and opportunities for multiplayer fun. Remember to take regular breaks, perhaps every 1 to 2 hours, to rest your eyes and mind, ensuring a more enjoyable and sustainable gaming journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.